This is the definitive guide to resolving startup failures and persistent freezing within Modern Warfare 3. Having personally encountered these exact frustrations and thoroughly tested numerous approaches, I've pinpointed several effective strategies that I will now share with you. Method 1 targets the foundational integrity of your game installation. Verifying game files ensures no corrupted data is causing the crashes, much like checking if all parts of a machine are correctly assembled. Updating graphics drivers is crucial because outdated drivers can cause rendering conflicts, leading to instability. Closing unnecessary background applications frees up system resources that MW3 needs to run smoothly, preventing it from becoming overwhelmed. Running the game as an administrator grants it the necessary permissions to access system files without restriction. Adjusting in-game settings to lower demands can alleviate stress on your hardware, directly addressing performance-related freezes. Clearing the game cache removes temporary files that might have become corrupted, akin to clearing out a cluttered workspace. Finally, a clean reinstallation can resolve deep-seated issues that other methods miss. Method 2 shifts focus to your operating system and system stability. Updating Windows ensures you have the latest system optimizations and security patches that can impact game performance. Checking for game patches addresses known bugs that developers have already fixed. Disabling overlays like discords prevents them from interfering with the game's rendering process. Adjusting power settings prioritizes performance, ensuring your PC dedicates sufficient power to MW3. Monitoring system temperatures is vital because overheating causes components to throttle, leading to crashes and freezes. Checking RAM integrity verifies that your memory is functioning correctly, as faulty RAM is a common cause of instability. Reinstalling Visual C++ redistributables provides the necessary runtime components that many games, including MW3, rely upon. Method 3 addresses potential network-related issues that, while less common for direct crashes, can cause stuttering and freezing. Checking and optimizing network drivers ensures efficient communication between your PC and the game servers. Resetting network settings can clear out any corrupted configurations that might be causing packet loss or latency spikes. Method 4 delves into deeper system configurations. Repairing the game installation is a more targeted approach than a full reinstall, fixing only damaged components. Adjusting the page file size can help if your system is running out of RAM, providing more virtual memory. Checking for driver conflicts ensures that no other hardware drivers are clashing with MW3's requirements. Updating your motherboard BIOS can improve overall system stability and compatibility with newer hardware and software. Disabling XMP profiles can sometimes resolve memory-related instability issues by running RAM at its default speed. Testing with different RAM configurations or modules can definitively rule out hardware failure. Ultimately, these methods systematically address potential points of failure, from software conflicts and corrupted files to hardware limitations and system resource contention, ensuring your Modern Warfare 3 experience is stable and enjoyable.